before we start, I need to make a point that Jackson and I are both under quarantine for, you know, reasons.
Safety reasons.
Yeah, so Jackson's in Boston, I'm in New York, I'm at the studio, we're doing this. We're gonna unbox something really cool for a special game that's coming out tomorrow, but we somehow got it. I got it today, you got yours yesterday.
It has been taunting me
it's my
for
fault.
24
It's my
hours.
fault. I know, it's all my fault, I'm sorry, buddy. But it's okay, because now we're opening it.
It's super exciting.
What?
Can we just take a moment and realize we were together when we bought this. We were at E3.
You're right.
When this got announced.
Yeah.
We were outside the
my
expo
God.
hall, outside the presentation. We literally heard our boy Neil Pavan talk about this amazing deal and how excited I was for it now. I haven't gone down in excitement. I've been waiting for this since E3. I'm so excited to open this.
Dude, I'm so excited to open it too. I know you're so much more excited than I am right now. I'm super pumped, but like you've been waiting for this for so long, and you're like the diehard Final Fantasy VII
I'm gonna
person
lick it.
that I know. So okay, you can lick it. Let's open the small box first, okay?
Okay, yeah.
You actually licked it.
Ooh, we get the lanyard.
Okay. Oh, it's the same lanyard that they give you at like conventions and stuff. That's awesome. That's cool.
Ooh.
And then the main thing.
Oh my God. Oh.
It's Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition, PlayStation exclusive. Play first on PS4. Look at that. All right, relax, Jackson, please. You're scaring the children.
Oh wait, do you see that on the on the sticker? Timed exclusive until 4/10/2021.
Oh wow, that's cool. Oh, I'm gonna get a close up of that. That's interesting.
Ooh.
They have that.
PC
really
port,
cool.
Stadia port.
What?
That was a joke because they ported Final Fantasy 15 to Stadia.
So let's open this first. Let's open the game box first.
I almost don't want to.
Do you not want to? It's up to you.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it right now, but I almost don't want. It's so pretty.
Ooh, okay. So it opens off on the side. It opens on the side. That's interesting. And it has in there.
Oh wow.
It has the Final Fantasy VII Remake. It has.
Wow.
Okay,
That's
let's just go one at a time. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh, dude, look at that Sephiroth.
Did you open the case? Open the case, buddy.
Oh, dude, that's
cool. Oh my God.
That's awesome.
It's exactly how the original game case looked.
Is it 2 discs? Is that?
It is 2 discs. It takes an hour to download. And we also get an art book.
Oh, look at that. Look at Mr. Cloud.
You know, I love these mini art books that they do. These mini art books that they do. I got one for Kingdom Hearts 3 as well because I also got the super expensive, stupid version of that as well. And that art book is so enjoyable. I would recommend you don't open it until you have beaten the game because there are often a lot of spoilers in the art book.
Okay, so you get the mini soundtrack, the Prelude, Tifa's theme, Shinra's theme, Scorpion Sentinel, On Our Way, the Turk's theme, Let the Battles Begin, Flowers Blooming in the Church, Hurry, main theme of Final Fantasy VII, Lay Down Some Rubber, and Stand Up. Look at that, that's cool.
It's surprising that they don't include the song Hollow in this case. Hollow is the new theme song that they wrote just for Final Fantasy VII Remake.
I didn't even really did that. And then we get the game, the big boy on campus. I'm gonna open this up too.
Yeah, go for it. I think I'm gonna leave mine sealed for a little bit.
You do you, baby. Yeah.
I also love this case as well, just because on the back, it's not a barcode. It actually says not for resale, meaning like you literally can't bring this and trade it into GameStop.
Dude, that's awesome. The fact that that's a thing is pretty awesome. Oh, that's cool. And then you open it up and there's so in there you get Cactuars, summoning materia.
There's stuff in there. I need to open it.
Yeah, open it.
Come on, oh no! Tape got stuck on my scissors.
What's going on?
Tape got caught on my scissors.
Are you okay? Is everything all right, Jensen?
I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, they have a Kingdom Hearts 3 ad in here too. That's interesting. Oh yeah, we're gonna block that off so people can see some Cactuar.
Oh, we also have it's a reversible cover, by the way.
Oh, is it really? Hold on, I want to look at that.
Yeah. Take out the second disc.
Oh.
It's just a nice. It's a minimalist disc. You know what? I want to include something in this video. If you don't mind, D, I'm gonna I want to showcase.
Oh, you're
this.
leaving?
I just left the frame just for a second. I want to also showcase at PAX East they did a signing, and I bought Final Fantasy VII Original Greatest Hits version. Didn't get the black label. But I got it signed by every single one of the actors in Final Fantasy VII Remake. So just seeing the two cases together are just absolutely breathtaking. I'm just so excited for this game, and Square, thank you for making this. Thank you for making this.
How many times did you play the demo, Jackson?
At conventions, I played the demo a total of 9 times. Waiting in line, waking up early.
Yeah, because we've been to E3, we've been to PAX, we've been to both PAXs. And you played it every time there.
Every single time, every opportunity I got. And then the demo that they downloaded, I looked at my playtime on PlayStation recently, and I've played it for, I think, 10 hours, which means I've played it about 10 times.
Wow. Dude, that's insane. I'm putting the lanyard on.
You know what, I'll join you.
Just because.
I'll join you.
Cool. Let's do this big box. I'm gonna open it up from the top, take this really cool square tape out of here, and we're gonna just open that up. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna open that up. And I'm using a box cutter, and I'm getting scared every time I use this thing.
I get that. I'm using scissors. My mom wouldn't let me use a knife because she thought I was gonna cut myself. She was right.
All right, I'm getting up for this one. All right, risk of suffocation. It's already on here.
Oh, good. It looks like there's... Oh. Hallelujah. 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 Oh my god.
This is the Final Fantasy VII Remake Cloud Strife and Hardy Daytona action figure. This is really cool. This is part of the collector's edition that only they get that order it, but Jackson and I both ordered it. So we're both opening it. Let me know when you're opening the box.
I'm about to open it.
Okay.
Oh
so
my god. Oh, the quality on this.
Dude. Oh, this is cool. With the plastic.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, this is dope. Wow. Okay, so he has changeable hands and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna open this guy up. Oh wow, dude, the wheels move. That is ridiculous.
Oh.
He is high freaking quality. Look at that.
We're not gonna yeet. Oh my god. Oh.
Dude,
oh, look at the boy.
He has like his chest moves.
What I really appreciate is he doesn't look like an anime boy. He looks like a real person.
No. Yeah, totally. All right, and it also, it comes with a ton of stuff. Oh my god. Oh, this is like magnets?
Wait, it's magnets?
I don't know. It comes with a bunch of stuff though. Got your Buster sword. Got your trusty Buster sword right here. Look at that. That's cool.
Ooh, the Hardy Daytona. Ooh, I'm a boy playing with Hot Wheels essentially.
Okay, so we got the Hardy Daytona right here. Let's take a look at this. This is really cool. This is, dude, the quality on this thing is ridiculous.
It's insane. Oh my god.
Awesome. There's a like a connector in here that you put into the Buster sword. Yeah, and then that goes here.
Dude.
That's dope. Look at that. Look at
Hell
that.
Yeah.
This is here. So do you set this guy? Wait, does Cloud just like set up like the? Oh, so Cloud just like chills on this like it's not the best in terms of grip, kind of thin.
It is not meant for playing. It's meant for you pose it and you never touch it.
Yeah, no, totally. I could totally see that being a thing. Okay, so to do the Hardy Daytona, you need the hands that are like the twos. So it's this and this. Oh my god, his hands are weird.
Yeah, they look weird.
So when you attach them, you'll see it on mine, but when you attach them, like it just like you see the ball of the like the connector, and it's really weird, but like it's cool, I guess. Like that's just you okay, Cloud? Is everything okay? Yeah, man, I'm fine. It's fine. Okay. All right. Oh, there's a kickstand.
Yes, there is a kickstand.
Okay. Wait. Oh my god.
I just heard that fall. Oh, this is why I'm not doing it. This is why I'm not doing it. This is why it's in the box.
Where's the kickstand? How do you? Okay, so, oh, okay, it's on the bottom. Got got it. It's, oh, now I understand. Now I get it. So there's a kickstand right here, and then you do that guy, and then that, and now he's propped up the right way. Let's get the Buster Sword back on. I'm sorry I hurt you, Cloud.
Me putting this box in is the most stressful thing I've ever done.
What is this? Oh! I got it. All right, so I got his hands on. That's how his hands go on. This is the Hardy Daytona. I'm gonna put the hands back and we're gonna get this guy on it. I don't think I need this unless I'm propping Cloud up on his own. This is really cool. Jax, I know you didn't open yours, but it looks so dope.
Oh, I'm sure it looks amazing. I just want to put it, I just want it for easy travel back home where I belong and where this belongs. I'm gonna like build a shelf. I'm so excited. But what I do have right now built in front of me is like a shrine to the Final Fantasy VII brand. And I'm just so excited to get into this game. It's gonna be game of the year.
Same.
I'm calling it.
I'm very pumped. Jackson and I just opened the Cloud action figure and Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition. We're super excited to play this. Make sure you check us out live on Twitch for both of us playing. It's twitch.tv/Scootish and twitch.tv/Guywiththehair_ if you want to see us play it over the next couple weeks. But I'm so pumped. This whole collector's edition was super cool. I loved everything about it. What was your favorite part, Jackson?
Honestly, just opening the box and seeing the cases for the games, it brought a little tear to my eye, showing me what we came from and to where we're going. And the action figure, how gorgeous it looked and how wonderful it feels in the hands. I can't wait to like get to my studio, my actual studio, and like set it up correctly the way it deserves. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I think Square Enix put a lot of time and a lot of work in these games, and I'm really excited to see the first part of this new Final Fantasy VII story that they're telling us.
Dude, I'm super pumped. Everything here is awesome. I can't wait to play it. It's gonna be super cool, and seeing a game like this that came out 20 plus years ago, and now at the level it's at now, and how it looks and how awesome it's gonna be, it's just this is everything that a gamer in the 90s could hope for, and can't freaking wait, man.
I'm gonna cry.
Are you gonna cry? I believe you. I really feel like you will. I feel like you will. But you know, I totally get it, man. I'm so pumped. You know what I'm really pumped for?
What?
The spoilers that we're about to talk about. Anyway, we're gonna talk about this. I can't wait. All right, Jackson and I are gonna get this loaded into our PS4s because it's going to take forever to get this game on there. But yeah, guys, if you want to check out this and more, check out more Final Fantasy. I'm E.
I'm Jackson.
And you guys have just been filled in on the Final Fantasy VII complete unboxing. Can't wait for more. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a like, let me know what you think, and also tell me and Jackson your favorite memory of Final Fantasy VII when you were a kid, or now, if you played it now. Let us know. Can't wait, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go poop. That's right. This was a bathroom behind me the entire time.
Okay, go. Bye. There's nothing behind me, just more stuff. All right, guys. Later. Bye.